cracked your brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max screen. The thought of a repair bill can be terrifying, but what if you could fix it yourself with a factory-grade replacement that promises near-original performance? This isn't just any screen. It's designed to bring your precious device back to life, eliminating those frustrating cracks, freezes, touch issues, and even color distortion that plague a damaged display. What's truly impressive here is the commitment to restoring that original-like vibrancy and sharp clarity we all love about Apple screens. The manufacturer claims smooth touch response with zero ghost touch, and from what we've seen, it really delivers on that promise. It feels incredibly responsive, almost as if you never broke the original. Digging into the specs, this isn't some cheap knockoff. Every single iPhone 16 Pro Max LCD screen undergoes strict testing to ensure it's in perfect condition before it even reaches you. We're talking about an upgraded high-definition LCD display that boasts ultra-high brightness, impressive resolution, and rich color saturation. It's sensitive to the touch, and crucially, it fully supports both Face ID and 3D touch functions, so you won't lose any of those essential features. Plus, it comes with hardened tempered glass right in the box, adding an extra layer of scratch resistance from day one. Now for the DIY enthusiasts, this kit is a game changer. It includes everything you could possibly need: the high-quality screen assembly itself, that tempered glass screen protector, a waterproof seal adhesive to maintain your phone's integrity, and a complete set of repair tools. But the real cherry on top: they've even included a clear, step-by-step instructional video. This means you're not just getting parts, you're getting a guided experience, making the repair process surprisingly effortless. It's a fantastic way to save both time and money, avoiding those expensive professional repair shops. Of course, compatibility is key. This specific kit is designed only for the iPhone 16 Pro Max models A3296, A3084, A3295, and A3297, which are the 6.9-inch versions. So, definitely double-check your phone model before you order to ensure a perfect fit. And finally, for peace of mind, this product comes with a 5-year warranty against non-artificial damage. That's a significant commitment and really speaks to the confidence the company has in their product. Their customer support team is also ready to assist, ensuring a smooth repair and complete satisfaction. Overall, if you're facing a shattered iPhone 16 Pro Max screen, this replacement kit offers an incredibly compelling, high-quality, and surprisingly accessible solution to get your phone looking and feeling brand new again.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.